Today's question is really important to grasp, and it's a question that I often get asked: should I publish a post or should I publish articles? Now, here's the answer to that question. Posts get the engagement, articles establish you as a thought leader in your space. So what happens on LinkedIn is that posts are what the algorithms find attractive. They get your attention in comments and shares and likes, etc. And they're what will build your audience, and typically will, in my experience, have 10 times the number of viewers as an article will have. So you may ask the question, what's the point of an article? Well, I figure that an article actually establishes me a thought leader in my space. When I've got the ability to write something deeper in terms of the length of the information contained within it, then that establishes me as somebody who knows what I'm talking about, and therefore an article is good from that perspective. But at the same time, I do know it's not going to get the same attraction on LinkedIn as a post will get. I think that the sum that I typically see is about a tenfold increase on posts versus articles. So should I even do articles? Yes, I think you should, because they help to establish you as a thought leader that you want to become, respected by your audience for the skills that you have, of course. But if you're looking for the engagement and the attraction that will actually drive your LinkedIn account to a higher level, then posts is the answer to that question. So, in summary, posts are what engagement. Make that the bulk of your time spent on LinkedIn, but occasionally, perhaps every couple of months, possibly, throw in an article just to show that you've got some depth to your subject matter as well.